Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you to the ICCSCP 2023 committee for granting me the opportunity to present our research with the title Formulation of Anti-Blackhead Rubber Mask from Purified Gambir Uncaria Gambir Hunterox. These are the investigators. I'm Hafizatul Akrami and there are Nova Shafni and Rini Agustin. According to the ZAP Beauty Index 2023, half of Indonesian women, specifically 50.1%, still feel insecure about their facial skin condition. Blackheads are the most commonly complained about skin issue, accounting for 57.1% of the 9,010 respondents aged 12 to 66 years old. Talk about blackheads. Blackheads are one variant of acne vulgaris, specifically a non-inflammatory type with closed or open lesion. This blackhead occur due to increased sebum production triggered by androgen hormone, also the presence of Propionibacterium acnes in the pilot sebaceous unit. Routine skincare is necessary for someone experiencing blackhead complaints. One of the most prevalent types of skincare is the rubber mask. Rubber mask is a powder facial mask that requires mixing with water to create a thick paste before application to the face. Once it dries, this mask forms a thick and elastic layer with peeling-off properties. Rubber mask as a formulation is believed more stable compared to semi-solid or liquid formulation. A natural ingredient that can provide a solution for blackhead issues is gambir, that is primarily composed of flavonoid compound catechin. The high catechin content in gambirs holds strong antioxidant potential and antibacterial potential against P. acnes. Also, the use of gambir gel peel-off mask has been proven to have a positive impact on the treatment for comedonal facial skin. In this study, the rubber mask will be formulated into 3 formulas, each containing purified gambir, and will be varied based on the percentage of their film formers, namely HPMC and catechin. The method in this study is divided into 3 steps. First, preparation rubber mask, followed by evaluation of the physical characteristics of rubber mask, and then determination of catechin content in the rubber mask. 3 rubber masks were made of purified gambir with varying concentration of 2 film formers, respectively by 30, 35, and 40% for HPMC and 15, 12.5, and 10% for catechin. The combination of 2 film formers in this preparation aims to enhance the strength and elasticity of the film so that the mask can be completely peeled off from the skin without breaking. We have some evaluation for this rubber mask. Those are shown on the slide. For determination of catechin content, we have 3 steps that are also shown on the slide. Okay, we come to the result. The result of the organoleptic evaluation are shown on the slide: powder form, brown color, smooth texture, and gambir purified aroma. The average diameters for 3 formulas are shown on the slide. That the particle size meet requirements for powder mask formulation, which are less than 1 millimeter. The graph indicating that all 3 formulas had a narrow particle size distribution that suggested a high degree of uniformity. The moisture percentage in all 3 formulas on the slide meets the quality standard for water content in facial mask formulation, which is less than 10%. Low water content has the advantage of extending the shelf life of the formulation. The pH values for the 3 formula are 6, which meeting the quality requirements for mask formulation. Also, the 3 rubber mask is considered homogeneous when there are no coarse particles and no variation in color within the formulation. The 3 formula also have adhesion time exceeding 10 seconds, and the mask remained attached to the glass microscope slide for more than 30 minutes. The drying time test result on the slide indicate that the 3 formulas meet the criteria for the drying time taking less than 30 minutes and can be easily peeled off from the skin. The difference in concentration of HPMC and catechin has a significant effect on the drying time. Higher HPMC concentrations leads to a shorter drying time, as does catechin. The formula were found to maintain their organoleptic properties, pH of 6, and the range of drying time throughout 21 days of storage at temperature of 4 and 27 degrees Celsius. Additionally, the narrow interparticle spaces in the powder formulation offer reduced opportunity for interaction with oxygen. This causes the powder formulation to be less oxidation compared to the gel formulation. Okay, based on the table, the average catechin content in the purified Gambir was found to be 90.08%. This aligned with the certificate of analysis for purified Gambir. The catechin levels in all three formulas are shown on the slide, and the three formulas still meet the percentage of Gambir extract that can inhibit P. acne. Come to the conclusion, purified Gambir can be formulated into a rubber mask. All three formulas created meet the criteria for mass preparation and stable for 21 days of storage in 4 and 27 degrees Celsius. The best formula is Formula 3, which includes a combination of 40% HPMC and 10% catechin as film formers because it has the fastest drying time and the highest actual catechin content. Here are some references. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.